How to change language in Tawasal easily. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to change language in Tawasal easily. So to easily change your language in Tawasal, all we need to do is open up your Tawasal right here. Once you open up your Tawasal right here, on the bottom right corner, you will see in your settings right there. All we need to do is click on settings right there. So now to change your language, all we need to do is go down till you see language right there. Just below devices, you will see languages right there. Press on that right there, and now here are the available language. We have the France, Russian, and Arabic. So here are the, and English of course. So here we have our default English right here. All you need to do right now is click on the language that you want, and as you see, we have changed our language right here. There you go. Now to put it back, all we need to do is go down, find the letter with the house icon. I think just joking, it's like other language just below the this gadget icon right there, the phone and the laptop icon. Press on that right there, and then choose the language that you want. Then there you go, it's automatically changed. And if you want another way of changing your app language, here's a tip for you guys. You can just go to your settings. Once your settings, go to app management. Once you're there at your app management, all you need to do there at your app management is type in the app that you want, for example Tawasal, and then choose change language. Then after that, you can now change your language without changing it in the in-app itself, and it has much more varieties of language you can choose from. There guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concern, stop with the question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible on here on how to route it guys. See you guys on the next one, and thank you.